Welcome all to Life in 360. In today's video, I'm going to share the reviews about CrossBeats Ignite S3 Pro smartwatch, and also I want to share about the after sale service from CrossBeats. So this one, the CrossBeat Ignite S3 Pro, comes with 4 color options: cherry red, lake blue, midnight black and silver mist. What you are seeing is the silver mist one. This one I directly bought it from CrossBeat website. About its look, it actually looks like an Apple Watch. So coming to its features, this one comes with 1.77-inch display. The screen resolution is 320 into 380 pixels and the nits of brightness unit is 600. So this one comes with a lot of special features like split screen, SOS, triple theme, always on display and voice calling. So competing with Firebolt Ring and Pebbles Cosmos, this one is quite attractable and also a reasonable to buy. Also this S3 Pro comes with 2 strap options in the box. So in the same grey color you will get a silicone strap too. I can list a lot of things about this watch. This has a very large display and it has a segment like split screen and with also always on display. You can also customize your widgets. With inbuilt mic and speaker you can make voice calls. There is advanced health tracking and also triple theme mode is also available. And yes, it is waterproof. So you can control your display with the crown. So coming to the health monitor segment, this one consists of blood oxygen monitor, heart rate tracking monitor and blood pressure monitor, also with sleep tracking. So in this segment watches, the BP monitor is mostly unavailable and I'm really very happy because I found this one. This one is very useful because it has a lot of options. So there is also inbuilt calculator, timer and music. You can play music wherever you go. Such a smarter one and a very useful one. So really very useful one and very satisfied from this purchase. But I wanted to share my experience from CrossBeats, that is their after sale service. So the product arrived is perfect in packing and while I started using it I found the display is not working. Since I brought the product directly from CrossBeats, I wanted to contact them directly, so I searched for their customer care service number. Using the number from the website, I contacted them and I found the best way to contact them is only through mail. So I started to send the mails to them and the first day I didn't got any response from them, but the next day I got a response. So there is a WhatsApp number too. If you want to know the details, check the description box. So what you have to do is you have to take a small video about the product, whether it is working or not working. You have to take a video to show them whether it is damaged or not and you have to send them. That is, you have to mail them. So I waited for a few more days and I got a mail from them and they confirmed me that the product going to be replaced and what I have to is send the product back. Also the product comes with 1 year warranty. So if you want to return a product that you bought from Amazon, there is no issues, but for this one you have to do all by your own. So I packed the parcel. In that I wrote the complaint number, also the reason why I want to return this product, and couriered it to the Bangalore office. And also don't forget to attach the bill. Then I waited for a few more days. Actually the Saturdays and Sundays are not countable. Waited hopefully and I got a mail from them and they confirmed that the product is going to be replaced and the replaced smartwatch will be arrived within 2 to 3 days. And I got the perfect one, the one which you are looking. So this is my experience from CrossBeats. I'm really very thankful for them for replacing this product. Still now it's working perfectly and I love this one. I'm sharing this one for the ones who are looking for a warranty or a claim clearance from CROSSBEATS. All you want to have a little bit patience and you have to contact them frequently. So here I'm going to show you what is inside the box. So it comes with 1 year warranty card. As I said earlier, this smartwatch comes with 2 strap options. The another one silicone strap is here. So I'm really happy to share my experience from CROSSBEATS. Share your experience too in the comment section. Hope this video is useful and thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel for more review videos. Take care of your family and friends. I'm really thankful for your support to Life in 360 and I'm very happy that we are growing. Take care and meet you in the next video.